moving on up to a brighter place. Make the fine move with Nellions, moving on up to better things. Yeah, with Nellions. Now we're the start of something new. Now we're the start of something new. Moving on up to a brighter place.
Nellions Uganda, we do local moves and installations moves.
Nellions moving and locations has its core values, and the most important is customer satisfaction. So from office to work, it's in your head, you know that the client is the king and you have to make sure that she's satisfied.
My role in this, I'm here to assemble the flag fans.